So I've been baking and making lots of things for people. So I have the chocolate cake, and then I have the yellow, I guess is what you would call it, cupcakes. And this one way overflowed. And this one's got like a little dink in it. Look at that. And like the paper got sucked in. That's so funny. It's really hot. They just came out of the oven. But I already have some done. Yay! And messy batter everywhere. Oh, we like decorated. There's like streamers and balloons and on these thingies. I don't know what you would call them, like dangly whatchamacallits. And you know, they're really for St. Patrick's Day because they have, okay, they really like pot of gold. That one's a shamrock, in case you couldn't tell. And that one's a little hat. So I have those in both corners. And I have like this garland that I put around the window. And come into the living room on the mantle. Ta-da! So, you know, sometimes I do cool things. Sometimes I'm just too lazy. We blew up the balloons and all the rest are like normal, round, whatever. But this one's like oblong. It's kind of like the weird balloon. So we're like, we don't have anything for this door. So it got doorway duty. Anyway, I'm gonna go start frosting those ones so then I can pull those ones out and do fun stuff. And set the clock on the thing because it's broken. Fun stuff. And then do some more dishes. Even funner stuff. Woohoo! So I think I went green to match the decorations and it just kind of ended up looking like Christmassy with the sprinkles. But there's the cupcakes. I made the cupcakes with the pretty sprinkles. See the sprinkles? See the frosting? I guess maybe, well, no, maybe darker green would have been better. Too late now. They're done. I'm not like taking frosting off and darkening it. So I think I'm just gonna give up trying to be good and wash things because I washed a load of laundry and there's like this mini skirt thing. It's like straight, right? It has like a belt buckle thing on it. Not a belt buckle. It has a tie. Do you see it down there? Probably not. Let me see. This is awful. Do you see that black cord? Somehow it like managed to wrap around all these clothes and it's under like this wing. But I can't get it to pull out far enough because it's like wrapped up in the sheet and pants and God, I just want to cut it out. But I'm like, no, I like that. I don't want to cut my clothing. From now on, I will just untie it. I don't think we've ever had this problem before. I'm just like, I'm like pulling the laundry, right? Look, like, it's not moving at all. I don't have the patience for this right now. Well, I just went to untwist it and there it is. Ripped off. Like, it's like seriously wrapped up in this. See that? Like tied itself in a knot. There it is. I don't know if you can really see that. Hold on. Like, look at it. It's like twisted. Don't you love how I have a third hand? I just braced it in between. Like right here. Oh man. Stupid laundry. It's like stuck again. There we go. Now I have to not really sure what that noise was. Now I have to sew it back on. I'm like bummed. I think what happens, like, okay, so it's like, do you know what a skirt is? So it has like the shorts in the like skirt. There's like, I think one of the legs holes got stuck around the thing, and then like the tie was like wrapped around it, and oh man. I'm gonna have like such requirements now when I like go shopping for new clothes. I'm gonna be like, oh no, I just see that ending badly in the washer. Yeah, I'm gonna have like rules. Oh wait, there's still a sock. Don't forget my sock. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the laundry now.